boxes. It's a Beauteque monthly subscription. And if you want to see what's in it, stay tuned. Okay, my name is Robin, and this is my roaming closet. I do all sorts of unboxings, lifestyle, clothing, jewelry, you name it, I unbox it. Some I like, some I don't like. So, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're returning to my channel, thank you so much. I get so many great comments from you guys, and I love that you're part of my YouTube family. So this is a monthly subscription box, and again, don't know the price, $29.99. I think they might add shipping because it's kind of a Korean box, I think, of skincare. So if you want to check out the last one I got, all my links are below. I have one link that will take you to everything, so that's really nice. So this month, it's Beach Ready Essentials Beauty Box. So loving that, and this is everything that's in the box, so we'll put that to the side. And it's got cute little sunglasses. Okay, it doesn't feel very heavy, so this is an eyeliner. Yeah, I'm thinking it might be one of my Korean boxes because I can't read it. And on the back, there's no English. So it's probably in the brochure that we'll get to at the end. But it's an eyeliner. It looks like a very nice eyeliner. And because I use eyeliners, I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. It is in the color black, but now it's so wrapped up, I'm not going to swatch it. So, sorry about that. The next thing in the box is Beauty Foot Stick. It's 3-in-1. And again, I can't read it. And I'm sure it's going to be in the brochure. But what a neat idea. I'm not sure if it's an exfoliator or you just put it on your feet before you put on your shoes. But it's kind of neat, kind of like a deodorant type of thing. Very handy to bring with you. The next thing is 40 millimeters, but I don't know what it is. It is made in Korea, but if you can see, it's not in English, and I don't know what it is. But they have great products. And anti-stress cooling spray. So I'm assuming it's maybe a face spray. Smells good. So that's nice. A nice bottle, nice packaging, handy to throw in your purse. The next thing is Cool Water Soothing Aloe Vera. And I'm thinking it's might be an After Sun aloe vera because I can't read the rest. And you know, I'm not going to open it because I'm not going to use it. But I bet you it smells really good. I'm not so much impressed with this box. I usually get some really nice full-size products that I can't wait to try. This one I might try. It's oil off paper. And I have gotten some of them before and I've never used them. So it's a nice little case. And I can actually open it. It's really cute. So there's the papers in there. So I don't know if you use it wet, dry, just throughout the day. So I'm thinking it's in that little brochure. And the last thing in the box is the Hydrogel Glam Lip Mask. Now, I love lip masks. I love all sorts of masks. So I will definitely get my use out of this. So that was everything in the box. There was the lip mask. There was the black eyeliner. There was the foot thing that I'm anxious to try in their oil paper. And this huge aloe. And then the face spray. And I know this box is like close to $30, and I really don't think this month it was on the mark. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. You know, this is the type of box, as soon as you cancel it, then the next month is a terrific box. But that was everything in there. Please leave comments. Let me know what you thought of this box, if it's something that you want to try. And here's the paper. Now, they did put some sunglasses on the little gel man. So this multi-purpose soothing gel contains 96 concentrated aloe. Apply the soothing gel evenly to your face and body and gently pat in for full absorption. Place in the fridge before use, because then it's cooler. And then the waterproof black eyeliner. It looks like it would be nice. And then the moisturizing beauty stick relieves dryness and damaged feet, perfect for use after a day at the beach. It contains olive oil, argan oil, apricot seed oil, and shea butter. And you do apply to dry skin on your feet. Absorb, do not rinse off. Use it on any part of your body that has dry patches, not just for feet. So that is nice. And then there was the lip mask, and relieve stress and knotted muscles from your back, legs, shoulders, and more with this anti-stress cooling mist. After a long day at the beach or being on your feet all day, spray this mist to the trouble area and feel a cool sensation soon after. Shake well before use, spray to any targeted area, and feel a cooling feeling. This can even be used to spray in the air for refreshing scent. So you can use that spraying anywhere. And then there's the blotting papers. Pat face with oil blotting paper to remove excess oil from your skin. The papers themselves have a light floral scent for relaxation. So that was everything. And Beauteque Beauty, I think, also offers just face masks. You get like 7 or 8 face masks, and you can get those. But again, my link will be below. There might be a discount. I'm not sure. I don't get any money off of this. But if you do like masks, they do have a total mask thing. Don't forget, for the month of August, I am running my contest. And all you need to do is to enter is just be subscribed and then watch the whole video and either leave a comment that you watched it or just 2 cactuses to let me know that you watched it, and you will be entered into the contest. As always, thank you for watching and have an awesome day.